So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search icon right here. It doesn't matter what page you're on. So if you're on markets, for instance, go to the top right, press on the search icon or the magnifying glass. Once that is done, type in ticker symbol TSLA. At the top, press on Tesla. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on trade, then press on buy. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and change the session type. You can also go ahead and change the limit or the order type, so you can do limit order or market order, the price as well, and the quantity. Once that is done, go ahead and press on buy, and that's how you guys can buy Tesla stock. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.